Hello, welcome to Money with Mark Albert. Today, just a thank you to a special group of people that I was with on the weekend. CRM Canada, they hosted a second financial workshop this year that I participated in. And I wanted to thank them. I want to thank Ignatius and Reggie for doing a wonderful job at hosting. Breakfast was incredible. The people there are wonderful. So I'm going to put their website in the notes down below. So also a special thanks to Sean Hughes from Foresters Financial for speaking. He was great. Everyone present asked a lot of really good questions. So the interaction was at a high peak performance level. And another special thank you to someone I met, a gentleman named Theo. He came all the way down this weekend from Montreal to Brampton just to attend this financial workshop that we did. So special thank you to Theo and everyone who was there. Listen, have a great financial future, and please subscribe to the YouTube channel here below so you can get more education. Wonderful. Have a great day. Look forward to meeting with you again in the future.